Hello guys, let's crochet a dragon stocking toy today. So the main part of this toy is actually stroke, which keep all parts together. Also we might do 4 rings, and afterwards we will add some small details to each one, like legs, arms and wings and so on. And as I already said, the main part is that stroke. Yes, please enjoy. Let's start with the biggest ring, which in the end we will attach legs and tail to it. So for all our toy we will need just 5 bunches of yarn. It could be cotton, it could be acrylic, whatever you prefer. And we will start with the first row, which is contain of 42 loops on it, just normal chain loops. In the second row, before starting even it, we need to do just slip stitch to connect our first row and make a small ring of our, let's say, loops in a chain. So it's just slip stitch, and after that we can start our second row, which would be 6 single crochet and 1 increase. Increase, by saying increase I mean we put in one loop 2 single crochet, and we repeat this pattern 6 times. So we do 6 single crochet, then 1 increase, then again 6 single crochet, 1 increase, 6 single crochet, 1 increase. So this pattern of 6 single crochet and increase we will do 6 times. So, and in the end we will receive 48 loops or single crochet in our second row. Please put the big thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more video like this. Our third row will have almost the same pattern as the rest of our rows, so it would be 7 single crochet, 1 increase. We repeat this pattern 6 times, and in the end we will receive 54 loops on our third row. Maybe it's too late, maybe it's still was to mention, but I do backside loop only. It's when you take just one part of your loop, not going through like two threads, under 2 threads, putting your hook and taking yarn through, but just through one, so backside loop only, and I do them through all of this ring. Yeah, just worth to mention. For the fourth row we will do 8 single crochet, 1 increase. Repeat this pattern 6 times, and in the end we will receive 60 loops in our row. Fifth one row would be 9 single crochet, 1 increase. Repeat this pattern 6 times and we'll receive 66 loops in our row. Just to mention it again that all single crochet what we are doing, we do back loops only, so we're just taking one part of our loop, and our sixth row will be start with 10 single crochet, 1 increase. Repeat all of this 6 times and we receive 72 loops in the end. Seventh row would be 11 single crochet, 1 increase. Repeat 6 times and 78 loops in the end of our row. 8th row would be 12 single crochet, 1 increase. Repeat all of this pattern 6 times, and we will receive 84 single crochet in the upper row. On the 9th row, we will do 13 single crochet, 1 increase. Repeat this pattern 6 times, and we will receive 90 single crochet or loops in our row. The 10th row would be 14 single crochet, 1 increase. Repeat this 6 times, and we will receive 96 loops in the end of our row. Here's our more interesting or maybe boring part is coming up, and from 11th row till 8th row we will do 96 single crochet in each row without increasing or decreasing, just 96 single crochet in each row. After a couple of rows, you probably notice that it starts to look like more like ring or like donut, probably. But yeah, it's our main goal. The 19th row would be includes 14 single crochet and then 1 decrease. So by saying decrease, I mean when you connect 2 single crochet in one. So just reduce your single crochet in a row. So again, it would be 14 single crochet, 1 decrease, and we repeat this pattern 6 times. And in the end of the row, we will receive 90 loops on it. On the 20th row, we will do 13 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat all of this 6 times, and in the end in the row, we will receive 84 single crochet in the end. The 21st row will include 12 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat this pattern 6 times, and we'll receive 78 single crochet in our row in the end of it. The 22nd row will include 11 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat all of this 6 times, and we'll receive 72 loops in the end. 23rd row will contain 10 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat all of this 6 times, and we'll receive 66 single crochet in the end of our row. The 24th row will contain 9 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat all of this 6 times, and we will receive 60 loops in the end. 25th row will include 8 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and 54 loops in the end of the row. 26th row will include 7 single crochet, 1 decrease. Repeat all this pattern 6 times and will receive 48 single crochet in a row. 27th row will be the last row of our ring, so it includes 6 single crochet, 1 increase. Repeat this pattern 6 times and in the end we will receive 42 single crochet in our 26th one row. So now we need to sew our start of this ring with our end of this ring. You probably can cut yarn maybe in half a meter after done the last stitch of our 27th row, and then do some sewing. As I showing, use the needle, which is needle for threads or for yarn. It's a little bit bigger than the usual needle, but you can Google it easily. Yeah, just needle for yarn, and you will have a lot of options there. Or just go to craft a store and explain what you intend to do, and then of course I can help you. So we just make all of these parts close together and do some sewing by grabbing one part of the loop from one side and one part of the loop from another side, or from our beginning and from our end, and do our sewing. While we're doing this sewing, we don't forget stuff with polyfill, because when we will receive small holes and just couple loops left to sew them, it would be really difficult to put polyfill inside. That's why feel it during your sewing. When you notice it's enough space to put polyfill, just do it. So, and here our result look like. There are just last step left. We need to make a knot of our yarn and hide it. To hide it, we usually put our needle inside where it's like polyfill, and then cut it after it's going through all our ring. And then after we pull in the yarn a little bit and cut it, it would be hidden inside because we pull it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.